Hi guys, postman's bin, VistaPrint. I ordered myself some more business cards. That's the original one or previous version. My logo, URL for YouTube, Grandad is an old man, Facebook, Grandad is an old man, Redbubble and Cotton Cart, which are my merchandise shops. Never ever sell anything on them, but they do exist. So I thought I'd have a slight change around. If we can open it. Right. Okay. So, same logo, but this time I've added the QR code and I've changed the URLs. That's the new YouTube URL, which is the @GrandadIsAnOldMan, whereas the old one was /C/GrandadIsAnOldMan. I don't know why they've changed it, but they change it. And then still got the Facebook one. And then I didn't bother about the merchandise because nobody ever buys anything on the merchandise. So I put the Instagram one on there. I did toy with having X or Twitter or whatever you want to call it on there. But I actually don't like X. I do put stuff on there, but yeah, I don't like it. So, there you go, my new business card. I pop them in things when I post stuff out to people. And just occasionally, people stop and talk to me when I'm filming, so I give them a business card. But I think that would be more useful than the old one. People hate to have to sit there and type in a whole URL like that, so the QR code will make it easier. I also toyed with the idea of having QR codes on the back, because then I could have 4 QR codes. I could have had Grandad is an Old Man, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the other one I could have put on there was Pinterest, because I put stuff on Pinterest as well. So maybe next time. These have lasted me for several years. I think I get 250 in a pack. There you go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.